Okay, guys, so this week I'm going to give you some new material and we'll see how this works. So, if you guys can understand this with just be showing it to you and not being at school. If it doesn't, then we'll just, work on some more review stuff that we need to have anyway. But we'll try it. Okay, so the first thing we want to talk about is median and mode. And we're going to talk about median, mode, range, and mean, but we're going to do median and mode first. Okay, so median and mode deal with a group of numbers. So mode is just the number that appears the most. And I'm going to use my hashtag here. So if you want to write this in your math notebook, and remember the hashtag means number. Sorry while I write this. Number that appears the most. So if you have a list of numbers, so if you have like 18, 5, 4, 18, 15, 13, the mode is the number that appears the most. So you just let them look at the set of numbers. Okay, so you have 18, 5, 4, 18, 15, 13. Which number appears the most? Well, it's 18 because it appears twice, where everything else appears once. Okay, so for the second set of numbers, which number appears the most? Well, I only have 1 4 and 1 7. I have 2 6s, but then I have 3 8s. So the mode here would be 8. So again, the mode is just the number that appears the most in a set of numbers, the one that they have the most of. Okay, you're not going to add, you're not going to subtract, you're just going to count. Which number do you see the most times? Okay? Okay, the median really means, if we think about it, median kind of looks like middle, and they call the median the little thing that goes in the middle of the road. So the median, you got to do a little bit more work here on the median. So the median, the first thing you need to do is you need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So that means from the smallest to the biggest. Again, write this in your math notebook. Okay, so step 1, put them in order from least to greatest. So if I have 8, 17, 3, 23, 9, 56, 13. So the first thing I need to do is put them in order from least to greatest. So what I do when I do it is I'm going to write them and then cross them so that I know that I have it. 9, 13, 17, 23, and 56. Oh, if I could write that right, I would be good. Hold on 1 second. Boop, boop. Okay. I should have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then step 2 is literally you need to count which number, or find which number is in the middle of this whole row. So find the number in the middle. Oh, sorry. Let me just fix that because it's too close together. Okay. So if I have an odd number, that means I just find what's in the middle. So I have 7, right? So I need to have 3 on this side and 3 on this side because then it makes it even. It's kind of like a scale. And then this is the number in the middle. So do you see that? So if I have 7 numbers, I've got 3 here and 3 here. So 13 is in the middle. So 13 is in the middle. Okay. Okay. I have 5 numbers here. So what's my first step? I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So I have 21, and again, cross out as we go. 23, 26, 33, and 35. Okay, so I have 5 numbers here. So that means I should have 2 on each side. So it would be 2 and 2. so that it's even. If I think about like a scale, so then I would have these two here and these two here. So then my median would be 26. So it's just really the number in the middle. But if you don't put them in order from least to greatest, you won't find the right answer. You'll just, if you looked at like the list of numbers like we had right here, you would have 21 as your median, which is not. Okay, so make sure you put them in order from least to greatest first, and then you have, and once you do that, then you find the number in the middle. So you want both of the other sides to be even. So 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, and whatever is the like leftover guy in the middle, that's the number that you want in as your median. Okay? If you have any questions, you know where to ask me, okay?